How to transfer money to my Skrill account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer money to my Skrill account. First, log into Skrill. Go to Deposit and select Bank Transfer. Next, copy the bank details and the reference number. From your bank account, make a transfer to Skrill using these details. Don't forget to add the reference number. It will help us process your deposit faster. The money will appear in your Skrill account within 2 days. In some cases, it could take up to 5 days. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.